Ever felt that little pang of anxiety, that did I pay that bill, or how much do I actually have in my account moment? We've all been there. In today's fast-paced world, juggling finances can feel like a tightrope walk. You're trying to keep everything balanced, making sure all the numbers line up. And let's be honest, sifting through paper statements or waiting for the mail to arrive feels like something out of a history book. Thankfully, we live in an age where information is at our fingertips. Most banks, including Patriot Bank, offer convenient online banking services that put you in control of your finances 24/7. But if you're new to online banking with Patriot Bank, or maybe you've just forgotten the steps, figuring out how to check your balance and manage your account online might seem a little daunting. That's precisely what we're diving into today. Forget the stress of wondering about your funds. We're going to walk through the simple steps to access your Patriot Bank account online, so you can stay informed and in control, anytime, anywhere. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why online banking is such a game-changer. Imagine being able to check your account balances instantly, no more guessing games or waiting for statements. See exactly how much you have in each of your accounts in real time. Review your transaction history. Keep a close eye on deposits, withdrawals, and payments. This helps you track your spending and identify any potential errors or unauthorized activity quickly. Transfer funds between your accounts. Need to move money from savings to checking? It's often just a few clicks away. Pay bills online. Say goodbye to writing checks and mailing them out. Schedule payments in advance and ensure they're paid on time. Set up alerts. Get notifications for low balances, large transactions, or upcoming payments, helping you stay ahead of your finances. Access e-statements. Reduce paper clutter and easily access your past statements online. These are just some of the benefits. Online banking essentially puts a virtual branch of Patriot Bank right in your pocket, accessible through your computer or mobile device. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually check your Patriot Bank account online? The process is generally straightforward, but it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure your security and access your information smoothly. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Access the Patriot Bank website. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the official website address for Patriot Bank. This is crucial. Always make sure you're on the legitimate Patriot Bank website to avoid phishing scams. You can usually find the correct website address on your account statements or by doing a quick, but careful, search for Patriot Bank official website. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, which indicates a secure connection. Step 2. Locate the online banking or login section. Once you're on the Patriot Bank website, you'll need to find the section that allows you to log into your online banking account. This is typically located in a prominent place on the homepage, often in the upper right-hand corner or in a navigation menu. Look for phrases like online banking, login, customer login, or a similar variation. Click on this link or button. Step 3. Enter your login credentials. You will then be directed to a login page. Here, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. This usually involves your username, or sometimes a customer ID or account number, and your password. Username/customer ID/account number. This is a unique identifier that you would have set up when you enrolled in Patriot Bank's online banking service. Make sure you enter it correctly, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you've forgotten your username, there's usually a Forgot Username link that you can click to recover it. You'll likely need to answer some security questions or provide other identifying information. Password. This is the secret code you created to protect your online banking access. Passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure that you're using the correct capitalization. Be very careful when entering your password, especially if you're on a public computer or network. If you've forgotten your password, there will almost certainly be a Forgot Password or Reset Password link. Clicking this will typically take you through a process of verifying your identity and allowing you to create a new password. This might involve answering security questions, receiving a verification code via email or SMS, or other security measures. Important security tip: be wary of any login page that doesn't look quite right or asks for unusual information. If you suspect a phishing attempt, do not enter your credentials and contact Patriot Bank immediately. Step 4. Navigate to your account summary or dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll typically be taken to an account summary page or a dashboard. This page provides an overview of your Patriot Bank accounts. You should be able to see a list of your accounts, e.g., checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and their corresponding balances. Step 5. View account details and transactions. To see more detailed information about a specific account, such as recent transactions, you'll usually need to click on that account. This will take you to a page displaying the transaction history, including dates, descriptions, amounts, and balances. You might also find options to view past statements, set up transfers, or make payments from this page. Using the Patriot Bank mobile app, alternative method. For even greater convenience, Patriot Bank likely offers a mobile app for both iOS, Apple, and Android devices. If you have a smartphone or tablet, using the mobile app can be a quick and easy way to check your balances and manage your accounts on the go. Here's how the process generally works with a mobile app. Step 1. Download and install the app. Go to the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android and search for the official Patriot Bank mobile banking app. Make sure it's the legitimate app developed by Patriot Bank. Download and install it on your device. Step 2. Enroll or log in. When you open the app for the first time, you might need to enroll in mobile banking if you haven't already. This usually involves verifying your identity using your account information. If you've already enrolled in online banking via the website, you might be able to use the same username and password to log into the app. Follow the on-screen instructions. You might also have the option to set up biometric login, like fingerprint or facial recognition, for quicker and more secure access in the future. Step 3. View your account balances and transactions. Once you're logged in, the app will typically display a summary of your accounts and their balances right on the main screen or dashboard. You can usually tap on a specific account to view its detailed transaction history and other information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.